Friday night's homework here, Module 421. Number 9, express each fraction as an equivalent decimal. Equivalent being equal, so our fraction and our decimal need to be equal. The first one's partially done for you. So we are trying to write 3/4 as a decimal. But I don't know how to write fourths as a decimal because that's not a place value. There's not a fourths place. So I have to turn it into a place value so we can turn it into a decimal. They're going to multiply it times 1 because it needs to be equal. Remember, the fraction and the decimal need to be equal. 25 over 25 will give us 4 times 25, which equals 100. And I can make a decimal out of hundredths. So let's do 3 times 25. You can either do it out on the side, 25 times 3, or you can just know 25 is like a quarter. So if I have 3 quarters, I have 75 cents. So now I have 75 hundredths, which I can write as a decimal. I'll have my tenths and my hundredths here. The last digit goes in the place value they're asking for, so 5, 7. I have 75 hundredths. It's kind of a funny looking 7. 75 hundredths there. So let's do B. Once again, it's fourths, so we're going to multiply times 25. 4 times 25, so they like us to write it out, to show our thinking. And then we have to multiply the numerator by the same thing, 1 times 25. 4 times 25 is 100. 1 times 25 is 25. So now I have 25 hundredths, which is a quarter. And sometimes we call 1/4 a quarter, so that's how they match up. Let's do one more example. Let's say we were trying to turn 2/5 into an equivalent decimal. Well, there's not a fifths place, so I'm going to have to turn it into 10, 100, or 1,000. 5 times 2 is 10, so let's do that. Whatever I do on the bottom, I have to do on the top. 2 halves equals 1, so this is going to be equivalent. 5 times 2 equals 10, and 2 times 2 equals 4. So we have 4 tenths, which I can write as a decimal. So 2/5 is equal to 4 tenths, and 3/4 is equal to 75 hundredths, and 1/4 is 25 hundredths.